Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Rebecca, Becky, Bex, however you want to call me. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a first impressions on the B Dual Wand Mascara. Now, I'm a huge fan of the L'Oreal mascaras. You know, the one where they've got the primer on one side and the mascara on the other. I'll put a picture of some of the mascaras on screen here, but I've just been a huge fan of those mascaras. I know one was in a red tube and a white tube. I know one was in a black tube and a white tube. Love those mascaras. They are so good. And when I saw B did a version of that mascara where you've got a primer one side and mascara on the other, I just had to give it a go. Not only they make their makeup on like Save a Third or better than half price or something like that, or buy one get the second half price, I just had to give it a go because I want to see if this one is just as good as the L'Oreal mascaras, and not to mention this one is cruelty free and vegan as well. If you guys are going to enjoy this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, please don't forget to subscribe, please don't forget to hit that notification bell and share this video with your friends, whoever likes makeup. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, link is in the description bar below. So let's get started by trying out the B Dual Wand Mascara. The current retail price for this mascara, it says on the website, it's currently £7.32, but it is originally £10.99, so it's roughly round about the L'Oreal prices. So it just says on here, it adds volume to upper lashes using the wide brush, define lower lashes using the small brush. So, so it's not like a primer then. So one wand is for the top and the other wand is for the lower. So, okay, so it's not like a primer at all. Okay, well I'll zoom you guys closer and we'll try this mascara on. Okay, so I've zoomed you guys a little bit closer. So one end of the mascara is actually thicker than the other. So you have a very, very thin brush. So this bit's for the lower lashes. And then you've got a thicker end on the other. So it's quite interesting because I thought it was going to be like the primer one, like the L'Oreal mascaras, but it turns out it's not. But we'll still see if it's any good. So what I'm going to do is do what I usually do. I'm going to apply one lash is wet and the other dry, just to see which one builds up better, like I usually do with my mascara reviews. It's got a very unusual smell, different to the usual mascaras. Okay, well obviously I'm going to do the top ones first. So I'm going to apply this. Yeah, it's a very natural mascara. I'm gonna add this one wet. So I'm gonna see if we can actually build this mascara up. And I'm gonna go in with coat number 3. Don't know if you can see with the mascara with my eyeliner, but you can see it's quite a lengthening mascara, not volumizing at all. It's very lengthening. So I'm now going to just add a coat to the other eye, but I'm going to leave this one to dry. Okay, I've just added one coat and I'm leaving that to dry. So I'm going to just use the other side, which is the thinner side. I'm going to use it for the lower lashes. It seems to be grabbing my lower lashes okay. I don't have many lower lashes left, but... Okay, well that smaller end definitely worked for my underneath the lashes. It definitely worked for that. So now I'm going to add a few coats where it's dried. This is a semi-dry formula, by the way, so I'd say the smaller brush end's more wet than the actual main brush. This is more like a semi-wet, so it's not wet, but it's not dry either. It's made a little difference, not an awful lot of difference. I'm going to try the small end on the lashes actually. I'm going to see if that makes any difference. No, that's just making it look a bit more clumpy. Okay, yeah, that's made it really clumpy. Okay, so when this dries, I'm going to use a little lash brush just to try and separate them a little bit. But it's definitely added a length to the lashes, and the other brush was really good for the underneath lashes. Okay, well, I'm going to zoom you guys out and I'll let you guys know my final thoughts. Hey guys, so my final thoughts on the mascara. I'm sorry this video is not very long. I tested this mascara how I usually would test this mascara. Has B done better mascaras? Yes, they have. They've done much better mascaras than this one. I'd have to say the smaller length, I prefer it to the regular brush. I like how this coats my lower lashes. I really liked how it coated them really quickly and it doesn't take forever to build them up. This one, if you like a lengthening mascara, then you will like this. If you want a natural lengthening mascara, I don't recommend putting these two together, like putting this one on and this one on top. It just made my lashes quite clumpy. I know B have done some other great mascaras as well. I know they've done like a lengthening version and a volume version, and those are really good. I like to layer those two together, put the lengthening one on first, wait for that to dry, then put the volume one on top, and that just builds really good length and volume. So I know that their previous mascaras are way better, but it was nice to give this one a try anyway to see what I thought of it. So I don't hate this mascara. I know they've done better ones, but as I said, if you want a nice natural lengthening mascara, if you want something that you've got the option to use it on the lower lashes, then this mascara would be really good for that. So, and it's, I have to say, it's very pure black as well, so it's not grey or anything. This is pure black, and I'd probably say the best way to apply this is probably when it's dry. That's my final thoughts on this mascara. So if you guys have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, please don't forget to subscribe, please don't forget to hit that notification bell and share this video with your friends, whoever likes makeup. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, link is in the description bar below. Thank you guys so much for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.